This instruction shows you how to select the options for resource planning defaults. In JAMIS Prime, configuring resource planning defaults improves efficiency and accuracy when creating and modifying plans. To view the default settings, go to Contract Preferences and click Resource Planning. The Resource Planning section sets the colors to highlight an employee's planned hours that fall within the ranges set in Resource View. The colors and ranges shown are the defaults when resource planning is enabled. Color 1 highlights in yellow employees whose hours are planned for 0 to 60% of the work hours for a period. Employees planned in this range potentially are underutilized. Color 2 highlights employees whose hours are planned for 61 to 95% of the work hours for a period, green. Color 3 highlights employees in red, whose hours are planned for 96% or greater of the work hours for a period. Employees planned in this range potentially are overutilized. Color 4 is available if more than 3 ranges are needed. The colors and percent ranges are set by default and may be changed. Under Options, the role to show hourly rate defaults as blank. When the role to show hourly rate is blank, no one, not even staff assigned the administrator role, can see employees' hourly rates in resource planning. If select staff need visibility of employees' hourly rates, create a new role, assign it to the select staff, and choose the new role in the role to show hourly rate. Only staff with the role selected will be able to view employees' hourly rates. The selection in the role to show hourly rate shown is an example of a custom role created for this tenant. Select Budget, Forecast, or Sandbox as the plan type to use with Employee Planning Sync. The plan type selected will update employee planning of direct jobs when synchronized. The selection of contract or resource determines the default view when opening resource planning. Check Auto Add Time Off to allow approved paid time off to display in the resource view. In the Distribution Default section, you choose the default distribution method for each detail record type in resource planning. Select from the available options listed in labor hours as the default distribution method. Select the labor amounts default distribution method from the options listed. Select the non-labor amounts default distribution method from the list. Select the default distribution method from the options listed for miscellaneous revenue. The distribution defaults may be changed in resource planning for specific resources or plan entity. JAMIS Prime provides an easy-to-read color coding of employees' utilization and default settings to improve efficiency and accuracy when planning.